attention for a while, my good friends one and all. And I'll sing to you a verse or two about a famous ball. Now this ball was given by some friends who lived down in Ash Street, in a certain house in the Liberties where the ragmen used to meet. Well, the names were called at 7 o'clock, and every man was on the spot. And to show respect for the management, every ragman brought his mott. Now I must admit that I brought mine at 25 minutes to 8, and the first to stand up was Kieran Grace, for to tell me that I was late. Then up jumps Humpty Soodlum, and he says, I think somehow, by the way yous are going on tonight, yous are looking for a row. Now look at here, Grace, if you want your face, you'd better not shout nor bawl. There's a lot of hard shaws to be here tonight to respect the Ragman's ball. Then we all sat down to some fish and chips, and every man was there. Oh, and as the place of honor, Billy Bowlin took the chair. Well, he swiped the chair and sold it to an old one in Carmen Hall, and he danced on the face of Kieran Grace the night of the Ragman's ball. Ah, says my one, you're a queer one now, and Billy, you're hard to beat. Oh, and up jumps Eliza Bowlin, and she told her to hold her parade. Ah, but my one made a clout at her, and she missed and struck the wall. And the two of them went in the ambulance the night of the Ragman's ball. Now to make the thing a swell affair, we brought friends quite a few. Oh, we brought up blind Garth Whalen and Big Dan Kenny too. And the gallant Jack Tar smoked his cigar, and he slipped coming through the hall. And he lost a new bag and all his swag the night of the Ragman's ball. Now to keep the house alive, me boys, we brought some music too. Oh, we brought up Tommy Reynolds and his old tin whistle too. Well, he played that night with all his might until coming on to dawn. But we couldn't find any to dance with Dan Kenny the night of the Ragman's ball. Well, for eating we had plenty there, as much as we could hold. We drank Brady's lupine porter till around the floor we roll. In the midst of the confusion, someone shouted for a song, when up jumps old Dunlevin and sings, keep rolling your barrel along. Then we all sat down to some ham pairings when everything was quiet. And for broken noses I must say, we had a lovely night. Our black eyes, they were in great demand, not to mention split heads and all. So if anyone wants to commit suicide, let them come to the Ragman's ball.